Well, hi, everybody. It's Rick Vandermolen here.
Hello, everyone. My name is Terry Stockton, and on Wednesday, October 28th, we will be joined by our colleague, Andrew Topper, to present for the BigBytes webinar at 10 a.m. For this BigByte, we will be focusing on Blackboard assessments and live text replacements.
This tool can be used to accomplish several important efficiencies from my perspective. First of all, the efficiency for the instructor. You're no longer going to have to navigate live text and use a separate application or program to complete your assessment of students in terms of their competency or their understanding of the content standards in your course. We're going to reduce navigation, which is huge for not only for the instructor, but for the students as well, having to navigate live text separate from Blackboard. It's now all embedded right in Blackboard. So there's an efficiency there. And then also, of course, anytime we can reduce costs for our students, we should be doing that. And we no longer going to be required to have students pay an additional cost to have a live text membership.
We hope that you'll join us on Wednesday at 10 a.m. to learn about the incredible tool. Don't forget, we will also be holding the College of Education Tech Committee Meeting following BigByte at 11.
All are welcome. It's an open meeting. You're welcome to come. That starts at 11 a.m. So I'm hoping we will see you there.